In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix League of Legends friend list not showing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of options for you to fix your friends list not loading on League of Legends. Usually, it will just be a loading icon and your friends will never actually show up. So, usually this is either going to be due to some problems with your installation of League of Legends or because of your connection with the game servers. So first, I recommend checking for game updates. You can do this by simply opening up the Riot client or the launcher and it should automatically get detected and updated. If this doesn't work, you can visit the website and choose the option to download the League client again. But usually, just opening the Riot client and seeing the pop-up to update will be enough. And of course, always try a simple restart. Oftentimes, restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches. Now, if this doesn't work, you might want to try verifying the integrity of the game files for any corruption or missing files if restarting the game does not work. Next, check your internet connection. Like I mentioned, if your internet connection is not stable, you will not be able to get the information about your account, including the friends list. So look for an internet connection test on Google, run the speed test, and you will be able to tell if the problem is on your end. So after you do this test and you determine if your internet is stable or unstable, you will be able to tell if there is anything that you can do about it on this specific time. If this also doesn't work, you can try clearing the League of Legends cache, so temporary files that can fix unexpected problems, and besides this, disable any overlays on the background, so stuff like Discord, GeForce Experience can interfere with League of Legends. Disable them, and if everything else fails, give it some time because maybe they just need to fix an issue on their end. So Riot will do something about the servers and eventually the friends list will automatically appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix League of Legends friends list not showing. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.